Introduction to Engineering Review Guide by Cassell. An engineering notebook is a book in which an engineer will formally document, in chronological order, all of his or her work that is associated with a specific design project. A design process is a systematic problem-solving strategy with criteria and constraints used to develop many possible solutions to solve or satisfy human needs and wants, and to narrow down the possible solutions to one final choice. A design brief is a key project planning document that specifies what the project has to achieve, by what means, and within what time frame. An oblique pictorial starts with a straight-on view of one of the object's faces, which is often the front face. Angled parallel lines are drawn to one side to represent the object's depth. Common oblique angles include 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. There are two types of oblique pictorials, cavalier and cabinet. The difference between the two is how the depth of the object is represented. Isometric means equal measure. Three adjacent faces on a cube will share a single point. The edges converging at one point will appear as 120-degree angles, or 30 degrees from the horizon line. The one-point perspective is relatively simple to make, but is somewhat awkward in appearance when compared to other types of pictorial drawings. The two-point perspective drawing is the most common type of perspective drawing. The three-point perspective drawing can give the viewer two views of an object, either a bird's eye view or a worm's eye view, as in this example. These are the three types of perspective drawings, placed together so you can see the differences between the three. Multi-view drawings show two or more two-dimensional views of a three-dimensional object. They provide the shape description of an object, and when combined with dimensions, they serve as the main form of communication between engineers and manufacturers. The example included is what a completed multi-view drawing would look like, with the dimensions and the three different views, plus the isometric drawing of the object. Line conventions are a standardization of lines used on technical drawings by line weight and style. The type and weight of the line drawn depends on the purpose of the line that you want to achieve. A dial caliper is a precision measuring device with parallel jaws or legs, with a shape similar to a clock face. The device is used to measure linear dimensions, thickness, or diameter. The ribbon in Inventor is like the command center of the program. It contains almost all of the functions that are used in CAD. With the tools in the ribbon, you can draw sketches, manipulate parts, or constrain certain pieces of the drawing or object. Autodesk Inventor has many file types. The file types that we use in Introduction to Engineering include part files, drawing files, assembly files, and presentation.